In this video, we'll look at weekly competitions, one of the simplest and most motivating ways to keep your students engaged. Teachers who use Xeropan Classroom regularly tell us that their students love this feature. To get started, click the Xeropan Classroom logo in the top left corner to return to your list of classes. Select one of your classes. On the overview screen, you'll see the weekly contest button in the top right corner. The weekly contest is based on the Xeropan points, XP, your students earn. They collect XP by completing lessons you assign and optional self-study lessons they complete on their own. This screen shows the results for the current week. Click See All Weekly Contests to view detailed results. You can scroll through previous weeks to see long-term engagement trends. Here you can immediately spot your top performers and students who may need extra encouragement. Use weekly competitions to motivate your students and celebrate their hard work. Most teachers use this leaderboard to recognise effort, reward progress, and build a positive classroom culture. When you're ready, continue to the next video in this workshop.